Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you the functionalities of one of our websites, Pro in Your Pocket. We have built this website using Node, Angular, and jQuery. Pro in Your Pocket is the easiest way you can find a professional for any of your projects. Here in the navigation bar, you will get options like Home, Projects, How it works, FAQ, Login, and Become a Pro. You can either click on Get Started or you can simply select Projects and you will be redirected to this page where you will have to or you can search service category. So you can search by service category, type in your category. There are already options provided over here like app development, area rug cleaning, automotive AC repair, and so on. So if I choose any option over here, say area rug cleaning, this page opens up where you have to put in your project details. So you can browse an image or you can upload any image from your system. You have to provide your postal code over here and give a short description of your project. When you click on Submit Project, your project gets posted on this website, and based on the provided code over here, the best suitable professional will contact the user. Coming back to the home page, here the option How it works, if you click on that, this page opens where you can see that you can easily post projects over here. It's simple and it's convenient. You can hire a pro with no costs. So this is a unique feature of this website that you don't need to pay over here. The payment arrangement is given to you. It's totally yours to decide, and it's mutually agreed between the pro and the user. Now even professionals can register over here. If you click on this option, Become a Pro, a details page opens up, a form opens up where you have to fill in your details. There are 5 simple steps to it, and there a professional can easily create an account. After successful registration, the professional will be contacted by our team whenever there is a requirement similar to his field of work. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.